Is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to discuss with you a question, and the question is that how to make a foundation of learning English skill. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to discuss with you all the thing, what are the foundation, and what should we do to make this type of foundation to be fluent in English. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before getting into the topic, I would like to say you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so the question is that ma'am, how to make a foundation on which we can easily learn English speaking skill. Okay, so first thing is that you need to improve your listening habit. Now the question is that first you have a desire. Okay, if you have no desire, if you have no eager to learn this language, then how can you learn this language? You cannot learn this language unless you practice. You can't learn this language. So this is a simple thing. Okay, so first that you have to that you have that thing, and that is desire, that is motivation. Okay, if you have motivation, if you have desire, if you have eager to learn this language, then you can easily learn this language. It's not difficult task. Okay, it's a very easy for you if you have a eager. So this is the first thing. First thing is that you have a motivation, you have a eager. Now the second thing is that how to make a foundation. Okay, foundation is very important thing. Okay, if you make a strong foundation, then you can easily make a big building on which. So this is a English speaking learning foundation. So what are foundation? There are two pillars on which you can easily make a big building like English speaking building. So what are these two foundation? So these two foundation are, first thing is that listening, and second foundation, first pillar is listening and second pillar is reading. Now let's talk about how to listen and how much to listen, and which kind of content will be helpful to increase our to improve our English language. Okay, so first thing is that you have to listen the content, whatever you want, whatever you have an interest on it. So you can choose any content. Okay, I would like to suggest you can choose the content that is that will give you motivation. Okay, so you can choose like Swami Vivekanand speech. You can choose like APJ Abdul Kalam biography. So these are some content which will give you motivation, because in learning skill, it's very important to get some motivation, because in between this learning skill, it's very much obvious to feel like give up. Okay, I can't learn this language anymore, it's very difficult. So you have to get some motivation throughout learning this language. Okay, so choose the content which will give you motivation and also give you correctness. Okay, listening those content which will be correct and which will give you motivation. So choose content according to your interest. Okay, so choose any content. You have a lot of content, no one can deny it, ma'am, which content I have choose. You can choose whatever you want. Okay, it's up to you. So choose one content and listen that content. Okay, choose short content. I mean to say, if you have content like 1 hour, then you have to listen only 5 minutes every day, but 5 minutes 10 times, 20 times. Repetition is very important. Okay, choose any content which will give you motivation, which is correct, and listen only 5 minutes, not more than. Okay, and repetition is very important. Listen that content minimum 10 times, 20 times, not other than. Okay, but listen till it becomes a part of your memory. Okay, so you have to follow this rule. Repetition is very important. Now let's do what after that. What we have to do, we have to just recall that 5 minute content in a second day or third day, and after that you can repeat, listen that content by gapping 2 or 3 days. In this way you can easily make a schedule. Okay, after 7 days you can listen that content, after 7 days, after 8 days. Okay, why? Because repetition is very important. Listen a few, but listen till it becomes a part of your memory. Why? Because learning, we are going to learn this language, and any language, okay, we can learn by the help of imitation. Okay, we can learn any language with the help of imitation. Means every time we have to, repeat those sentence again and again and again till it becomes a part of our memory. Okay, now after that you have to uh, listen second, 5 minute. Okay, in this way you have to complete your content, whatever you have choose. And after that you start to create some question, like which type of content is this, and on which topic this content, and what are the benefit of this content. In this way you can create some question, and the question should be ws family. Why? Because if you start creating some question with the help of helping verb, so there is only requires answer only yes or no. Okay, you have to create some question with start with wh family, because there is a some answer that requires more words. Okay, why this content is very important. Now you have to give some answer, full answer. Okay, so create some question and just do this practice minimum 3 months. Okay, and in between the second pillar you should also complete, you should also use. And the second pillar is that reading. You have to read each and every day. Read minimum 1 page, but read 1 page minimum 10 times till it becomes a part of your memory. And you don't need to read inside your mind, you have to read with reading out loud. You have to read out loud. In this way your jaw muscles, your mouth have to practice to how to pronounce the word in English. And once you do this practice each and every day, then your two pillar like listening and reading will be strong. And once your two pillar listening and reading will be strong, then you can easily make a big building. I mean to say English speaking building. Okay, listening and reading. After listening and reading you have a lot of source. You will know some vocabulary, you have a amount, lot of amount, enough amount of vocabulary. You will know how to make some sentence structure in English, how to frame a structure, sentence structure, how to create some question in English, how to give some answer in English. So in this way you can easily know some important thing in English. Okay, and that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.